I don't know about you, but these days I come across multiple complaints of P2P scams, thefts, and frauds on my timeline, socials, and X. And in the next few minutes, I'll be sharing with you a quick secret on how to spot fake P2P traders and showing you live a step-by-step guide to using P2P Marketplace to
to
convert
convert
crypto
crypto
to
to
Naira.
Naira. Well, with over 6 years of expertise in crypto, having worked as a price control merchant for brands like BitGet, AX, processing over thousands of trades, and currently building DTHA, Nigeria's go-to crypto platform, I'm about to give you priceless hints and strategies to ensure that you don't fall a victim to P2P theft. So save this video, follow through, and try it out. So first things first, we ought to pick a preferred P2P marketplace. Since the fall of Binance P2P, we've seen platforms like Bybit come to life, Mexc come to life, and various other P2P marketplaces. And for the purpose of this video, I'll be utilizing the Mexc exchange's P2P marketplace to perform the live display. Mind you, this is not a paid promotion or collaboration from Mexc. It's basically me utilizing their product or their platform to share the message I have. Alright, so let's go. Alright, so now we're on Mexc and we'll navigate to the P2P marketplace. Alright, so over here you get to see merchants who have placed ads for you to buy or sell crypto. Now we want to sell, convert crypto to Naira, so we are selling crypto. So tap on this sell section and you can also see a list of merchants who are currently active. But then a few things to note is that the merchant has to, the order volume has to also align with the amount you are looking at trading. So for this experiment, we are working with $10 worth of crypto. So we are going to look for merchants whose order quote ranges between that volume, and that would be anywhere from around 10,000 naira upward. Well, you can as well use the amount filter option to make things easy. So, but let's do it little by little. So now, one other thing to take note of is a few of these things that I'd like to share, which is this: pay close attention over here at this point. Now, before you select a merchant to trade with, here are a few things to note. First, to check for the verified badge. I suggest you do. Then you also should check for large trade orders or large trade volumes already processed. People who've had over 1,000 orders and stuff like that. Then next is the completion time. Yes, the completion time. So over here now we're getting to see a couple of crypto merchants who have placed their ads to convert or buy assets from you. Now, next thing to note is this. There's this before the person's name. Let's take a look over here. We are seeing lead VAT crypto load, and we can see that just before this lead VAT, there is an L with a green ticker, and just before this crypto load, there is a K but doesn't have a green ticker. Now, the difference or the importance of this is that these tickers shows the active status of the merchant currently, if the person is currently active or available. Now, having to see that okay, lead VAT has crossed 5,000 orders and also has a 100% positive review. For me, I like to work with anything from 90-95% positive review upward, and for trade orders anywhere from $1,000 orders upward is okay. And also we can see that the amount aligns with the amount that we are looking at working with. So now let's click on the sell button and see. Now we click on max, how much USDT I'm trading with everything. So that's about 10.7 US dollar. And we can also see put in my payment method, and payment time limit is around 30 minutes. So now also next thing is to pay attention to the advertiser's terms. Over here you're seeing that the person is saying you should drop your phone number to receive payment. So now once I click on this sell button, my ad is placed and I'll be awaiting But then, based on the terms stated, click on the chat button and quickly drop in phone numbers. Yes. And await payment. Well, we're going to check back when this is done. This is currently 3:25, so let's see when this is done. Alright, so quite well, we've been paid and we've received payment after waiting for so long. Well, here's the truth. There would always be fake theft P2P traders on this marketplace. But if you want to drastically reduce your chances of falling a victim to this P2P theft, then these steps should very well help you. But then, if you really want to experience a seamless crypto to Naira trading platform, then choose DTHA and get to enjoy 247 availability, 50% boosted rate, and 100% safe trades. What do I mean by this? Well, in over 2 years of operation at Divine Trader, we've been able to process over 7,000 successful crypto to Naira transactions with no single complaint of user fund mismanagement. Don't you think this is enough reason to choose a much more safe, reliable, and trustworthy platform to help you convert your crypto to Naira in minutes? Well, if you want to use Divine Trader, scan the QR code on this video, check the link on bio, and get started. See you on the Silencer side.